Next, deletion of a given node. Suppose a node is given, I perform the deletion operation. Delete a node. Okay, here suppose I am passing the head and key. Key is the particular node which will be deleted from the list. Okay, then see, suppose a list is there. Suppose this is a linked list, W linked list. Your head is now here. Okay, so suppose you delete a node 8 from the list. Then what happen? Suppose you have to delete this node from the list. Then which link will be updated? This link will store the address of this after deletion. Then this link will change this. Okay, that means this will be disconnected. This also disconnected. Okay, next this link, what? It also store the address of this node. Okay, this link will be disconnected and this link will be disconnected. Two link part will be changes then after the deletions. Clear? Then see the algorithm. Algorithm step 1 is similar. Checking the underflow condition, that is your head equal to null. Okay, head equal to null. Underflow condition, head equal to null, then print underflow, return. Okay, next step 2, how to delete this node. I am taking a pointer, accessing this node, I am using a pointer, so I am starting a pointer ptr equal to head. Okay, ptr is here now, ptr is here now. Okay, then what happen? I am writing the condition to move this pointer. I am using the condition. What is the condition here? While your ptr info part is not equal to key. Okay, what is the key value? Key is passes, key is your 8 is given, we have to delete the node 8, so key is 8. So I am checking if ptr info is not equal to key, then the pointer is moved ptr equal to ptr next. Okay, so see here ptr not equal to key, yes, then ptr will be moved here, Okay, now ptr equal to ptr next. Then here check ptr info not equal to key, but here key is your 8, so here ptr will be stop. Now ptr will be pointed to key. So this step, what? Ptr will be start head, ptr info not equal to key, ptr equal to ptr next, ptr will be moved up to the key value. Okay, clear? Then what is the step 4? Step 4 is you have to store the ptr info value. Okay, I am storing a norm equal to ptr info. What is the info part is there? I am storing a norm, then after last you have to returning the norm. Clear? Then also you have to check the special condition. Can a special condition apply or not? What is the special condition? If head will be changed or not. If you delete a node at a middle, then head will be not changes. If we delete a node at the first position, suppose the key value equal to 5, then what happen? That means delete a node at the first position, then head will be changes. So the special case first I am writing s equal step 5 I am writing the special case. What is the special case? See, okay, suppose this is your linked list having 4 node. Okay, so for the special case, here suppose our ptr is here, ptr equal to head, and it check what? Ptr info not equal to key, then ptr equal to ptr next. So suppose key is your here 5, that means we delete the first node. Okay, that means here key equal to 5, so the loop will be not satisfied. The loop while ptr info not equal to key not satisfied, then ptr will be stop here, ptr will be stop here, ptr will be stop here. Okay, so the case if writing if your ptr equal to head, ptr equal to head, that means what? If ptr is at the first position, then if you delete this node, then what is the changes? Okay, first you cannot delete or cannot modify this, because by using this we have to access the next node. Okay, using this we have to access the next node. So first we have to modify this. First we have to modify this. So how to access this? Using the ptr. Ptr will be store the address of this node. Ptr here, this store the address of this node. So how to access this link? See here, I am writing ptr next. What is ptr next? Ptr next give that, then this field is previous field, so I am writing previous field. Ptr next previous, so here ptr next, this next, then previous means this previous field. So this previous field, if you delete this node, what is the previous field store? It store the null value. Here it store the null value. Okay, it store the null value, so I am giving null. Okay, ptr next previous will be updated to null. Next what happened? Head. What is head will be stored? Head now store this. Okay, then you updated the head. Head will be stored now. What is the head will be stored? The ptr next, I am updating head equal to ptr next. So what is ptr next? 1000. That means this link will be disconnected, and here head will be updated to that ptr next. Ptr next value will be updated, and that means it will be store the address of this node. Okay, head equal to ptr next. See, for this node I am disconnecting this link and also disconnecting this previous link part. Okay, then only one link is there, that is this. Then we have to disconnect also this. That means we have to store the ptr next will be, what is the ptr next is there, we have to store null. Okay, means this value will be store null, then this link will be disconnected. Now the three link will be disconnected, means this node will be isolated from the list. This is your head will be stored this node. Clear? Then after isolating this node, we have to free, but I am writing another case in else. What is this case? If ptr is not at head, ptr is not at head, or ptr is not the first node, ptr is any other node, then what is the changes? See here. Okay, so we have to, ptr is now here. Suppose our key, this is the first, when key equal to 5, suppose key equal to 8, we have to delete at any position. Suppose this is the position. Now here equal to ptr. So how to update this? We cannot update this first, because if you updated this, you have to lose this address. So first you updated this address, after that you have to update this. So suppose I am writing here ptr previous. What is ptr previous? Ptr previous, this is ptr node previous 500, this node, then this node, this part, then write next. Ptr previous next. Ptr previous give this node, and next is this part will be updated. This is the L value, that means this next part will be updated. What? Ptr next. Ptr next. Okay, this next part will be updated to ptr next. What is the ptr next? Is 2000. I am updating to 2000. That means now this link will be disconnected. This will be store the address of this 2000. Okay, similarly, how to update this? I am accessing using ptr. That is your ptr next. What is ptr next? This is ptr next giving this node, and this part will be previous. So ptr next, this node, previous part will be updated. This previous part will be updated. What? Updated to ptr previous. Ptr previous. This net part is updated to ptr previous. What is ptr previous? This is ptr and this is previous. Okay, then updated to 500. That means this will be connect to this. Okay, this link will be now disconnected. Okay, now our work is make it null. We have to disconnect this link also. Okay, this thing is a optional things. If you, this is main, you have to update this and this, but this link, you, if you updated or not, this is the optional. If you updated, it's okay. If not, no problem, but you have to update it. Here, what is the address here? ptr next equal to null. This value m means this link will be disconnected. I am taking ptr next null. Similarly ptr previous also null means this value will be updated to null. This link will be disconnected. Now the whole node is isolated. After this step the whole node is isolated. Okay, then what happened? We have to free the ptr. Next step, that is your step 6. This is your step 5. If ptr equal to head first node, otherwise this, then in the step 6 we have to free the ptr and return the norm value. What is the value will store initially, we have to return. Okay, norm equal to ptr info, that will be returned. So that is your delete at any position. So please go through the other algorithm like delete last or delete at a particular locations, and this step are similar. Okay.